We are about to go into the deepest and darkest trenches of Dog Turd Haven. This is Dog Turd Haven. That is one of the many turds in Dog Turd Haven. There is feces literally many places in this haven of dog turd. This mountainous, ravenous pile of feces contains a whole heap of feces from the one they call Sid. Sid accompanied this place, leaving his droppings to be picked up. This is one of many dog turds in Dog Turd Haven. More feces spread everywhere. It is getting very hard to breathe. As we go further and further through Dog Turd Haven / Dog Turd Island, we see even more dog turds. We'll zoom in on this turd, yes. That's just a phenomenal specimen. I think I'll take that for later. Ah, yes, that's just right there, yes. Yes. Ah, a football. This football, it will provide great evidence of what used to inhabit Dog Turd Haven. The football will never be rescued on account of the feces and shit everywhere. Stepping further and further, it is almost getting too hard to go through. Oh, I cannot go any further on account of there is shit everywhere. What's this? It's a dog turd monster!